In the opening chapters of my brand new book, you'll journey back 2,000 years. In the theater of your mind, you'll be placed squarely in the company of Jesus and his disciples. You'll be there when he discloses eye-popping insights to those who are the closest to him. The remaining chapters will take you through one biblical revelation after another, revelations that will at times leave you breathless from what you've seen. You'll also understand why most of the world, along with huge portions of today's institutional church, is oblivious to what's taking place around them in real time. And this grand demonic delusion is happening right in the midst of the most prophetic time since the first coming of Yeshua. But first, we have to see it. Do you have eyes to see? You will after you've turned the last page of this book. I can guarantee it. Order your copy now.
This changes everything.